This tutorial will be dealing about the clock signal. So as the form you can see that wave diagram is of digital signal, that is having either a rectangle or a square kind of form. On cycle and off cycle are same, that is if t on equals to t off, that means the wave that I have formed is of square wave, but it is not compulsory that t on and t off will be same for every clock period. So for that it depends on the user, like how much he required for on time. Suppose you have say 750 seconds and you need to make it on for 600 and remaining 150 seconds you need to make it off. That is a kind of rectangle or the user dependent, that is completely depend, t on and t off depends upon the user. If t on and tf are equal, then it is considered to be square wave. For example, if you have taken 100 seconds, then 50 seconds if it is on and if 50 seconds it is off, then it will be square wave. Or else we will be saying it will be a, if suppose if t on is, if you are 75% on, that is 75 seconds on, and 25% off, that is 25 seconds off, if the total time is 100 seconds, then the t on and t off will be not equal, so you will be saying somewhat t on more and t off less. Now coming to, there are two types of triggering, as you can see. One is considered to be level triggering and another one is considered to be edge triggering. What about level triggering and edge triggering? Level triggering, again you can see there are two types of level triggering, that is high level or low level. When the output is high for a certain period, that is called as high level. When the output is set 0, that is considered to low level triggering. Whereas in edge triggering, if the clock is rising, if you can see from here 0 to it is going to 5, so it is considered to be rising edge, while as in falling edge, if it is coming from 5 to 0, if you are going from 5 to 0, this period is considered to be falling edge. So this is all about clock signal. This will be learned more when we discuss about flip-flop. There you can actually see the implementation, what I need to say about falling edge and rising edge, or high level and low level. Thank you all.